Try it all my way. Hide your recall that every moment spent was wasted time. Then I just laid on the line. I want this all my life. 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 Ayan ang request ni Sir Manny, ha? Ang sexy ng post. Gusto ko si Sir Manny pag nagre-request eh. Walang kahirap-hirap. Mahal na mahal ako ni Sir Manny. Alam niyo ba yon? Ayaw akong pahirapan ni Sir Manny pag